I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Gravity Leap in Dungeon Quest. Run to Necropolis spawn, join a party, and focus on clearing mobs quickly to reach the boss area. Save your potions for the final wave, prioritize mobility and ranged attacks, and search every chest after each miniboss. If you find a rare shard, trade with the vendor for a chance at Gravity Leap. Repeat runs until it drops. Prepare by upgrading your boots and equipping jump boost gear before entering Dungeon Quest. Farm gold to buy keys and use a loot booster if you have one. Always bring a healer or healing potions and practice the jump timing on platform rooms. When you reach the gravity rift, aim for the center, activate your jumps, and keep momentum to avoid fall damage. Good luck. If you're enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like. It really helps my channel. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite fits long reading sessions and stores strategy notes between runs, making farm time productive. It has great battery and readable screen for commuting to a raid. Also, it pairs nicely with coffee breaks. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Use wall jump combos and latency-friendly timings to chain multiple jumps for Gravity Leap. Communicate with teammates to mark jumps and clear pathways fast. Save a dash ability for midair corrections and carry extra mana or stamina. Learn enemy spawn timers to avoid being pushed off platforms, and prioritize looting rare chests and miniboss for higher drop rates. Stay patient and review your replay to refine timing. Practice daily and adapt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.